2 days Isro Pharmacist exam conducted by Indian Space Research Organization 7th November. So in previous video we will discuss 24 questions, but the question are not clearly visible, so we again uploaded, and those 56 question is left, they are also discussed. So first question is, saccharin is sweeter than sucrose by, so saccharin is sweeter than sucrose by how many times? So they are 500 times. So 500 times is sweeter than sucrose is saccharin, and aspartame is 200 times sweeter than sucrose. So next is, how many ml of U100 insulin should be used to obtain 40 unit of insulin? So the right answer is option C, 0.4 ml. So next, in coffee seed, caffeine is present as a salt of. Caffeine is present as a salt of in coffee seed. So right answer is chlorogenic acid. In chlorogenic acid, caffeine is present as a salt of. Okay. So next, prostaglandin analog in ulcer therapy causes. So prostaglandin analog is example is misoprostol and extra is in ulcer therapy when used they cause many side effects or effects causes. So main causes abortion and any other. So is the right answer is all of the above. Next, oral hypoglycemic agent which is thiazolidinedione derivative is, so right answer is pioglitazone. Next, BCG vaccine is live and bacterial vaccine. So right answer is option B, live and bacterial vaccine. Next, the Central Drug Research Institute is situated at. This research institute is situated at Lucknow, UP. Next, a receipt given by a seller to a buyer which has returned good which can be offset against future purchase is credit note. Right answer is credit note. Next, which of the following is not a macrolide antibiotic? So erythromycin, spiramycin, azithromycin is example of macrolide antibiotic, and vancomycin is glycopeptide antibiotic. So the right answer is option D, vancomycin. Next is, morphine is present in. So right answer is morphine is present in Papaver somniferum. Next, autoclaving of ampoule in a dye bath is for, in dye bath autoclaving ampoule for leaker testing, Risav friction. Next, anti-cancer drug kill cancer cell by, they kill cancer cell by first order kinetic. Dopamine is degraded by MAO A and MAO B. Next, tyndalization is process of, in this process sterilization by heating under pressure for 3 successive days. Right answer option A. Next, which of the following may cause cycloplasia when used topically in the eye? They also cause mydriasis. So right answer is option D, atropine. Pilocarpine is cause meiosis. Captopril exert action by inhibit conversion of angiotensin. Captopril exert action by inhibit conversion of, option A is right, angiotensin 1 to angiotensin 2 is convert is inhibited by captopril. Largest peak in mass spectrum is is called is base peak. So right answer is option D, base peak. Next, Keller-Kalani test is used for identify digitals. Option A is right. Next, the storage form of iron in human body is stored form is ferritin. Next, micrometric refer to the study of is small particle. Next, how many half-life is required to disintegrate 90% of drug? 100% of drug need 4 to 5 half-lives, but in disintegrated 90% of drug half-life is 3. Next, a patient with glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency, if treated with dapsone treat will develop. Dapsone cause hemolytic anemia. Okay, aztreonam is a antibiotic and category is monobactam. Next, DOTS full form used in treatment of TB tuberculosis is right answer. Direct observed treatment, short course. Next, sublingual route used organic nitrate is nitroglycerin sublingual dinitrate. So is the right answer is option D. Thromboxane is mainly synthesized by, right answer is option C, platelet. Raster process can be used to, so this is used to tablet coating in used. Emulsion contain more than two phase is ASO option eliminate heterogeneous homogeneous also eliminate. So right answer is multiple emulsion, option D. Next, the hypotensive effect of clonidine is due to action of, this is due to action of alpha adrenergic receptor, option A is right. Next, diabetic antibiotic agent of choice in diabetic ketoacidosis. In diabetic ketoacidosis, his main treatment is insulin. So in this option 3 is they used insulin option. So right answer is option A, protamine zinc insulin is regular insulin. Black pepper consists of dried unripe fruit of Piper noicrum. Next, reddish brown color of calamine is due to ferric oxide, option C is right. Next, disposable syringes are made up of, they are made up of polypropylene. Next, which of the following is physical sunscreen example is titanium dioxide, zinc oxide. So right answer is option A. Next, seal coating is applied, so his right answer is to prevent moisture penetration into the tablet core. Next, which vitamin contains steroidal structure? So easily question is the right answer, option C, vitamin D consists steroidal structure. Next, endothelium derivative dependent relaxing factor of blood, EDRF, in short used EDRF example. So EDRF example is nitric oxide. Next, 5-HT3 antagonist antiemetic agent is ondansetron. Setron example is 5-HT3. Next, all of the following cause hyperglycemia except streptozotocin dioxide, and they are all known as they cause hyperglycemia. Glucagon is also increase. So in this, right answer is Option D, meglitol. Next, the breakdown of glucose to pyruvic acid is called as a glycolysis. Standard for cosmetic is included Schedule S, cosmetic in Schedule S, Schedule P, life period. Okay, so Schedule F, blood bank. Schedule T is manufacturing of Ayurvedic and Unani drugs for. And next is poorly manufactured tablet may have small pinhole on the surface. Pinholes, P, pinholes and P, peaking. So this is trick, peaking and pinholes. Next, the term bioavailability refer to measurement of the rate and amount of therapeutically active drug that reaches systematic circulation. Option D is right. Next, selective inhibition of serotonin uptake is by. So this example is fluoxetine is SSRI example. Largest organ of the body is right answer is skin. Liver is largest gland. Which one is the unit of wave number? Unit of wave number is meter per second or semi. Okay, any one in option. So this is right answer. Meter per second is right answer. Capacity limited process can be described by. So they are described by Michael Mention and non-linear kinetic. The cytotoxic drug with maximum antiemetic activity is cisplatin. Next, liver microsomal enzyme are stimulated by phenobarbital because cimetidine is inhibit or phenobarbital pentoin is stimulant. Next, which of the following is example of non-ionic emulsifying agent? Non-ionic emulsifying agent example is span and tween. So span and tween both are example of non-ionic. Next, roto weight used to measure in question name is roto weight and answer is answer weight of capsule. Solid fat index SFI is measure determined by which, and answer is dilatrometry. And next, ergotoxin consist all ergocaptain, ergocristin. Next, the particle which are deeply bonded settle rapidly, easily dispersible. So easily reducible is flocculated suspension. So in short form, floccles. Next, Nux vomica seed contain lignified. So lignified unicellular covering trichome. Next, active metabolite of diazepam. Diazepam active metabolite is nor-diazepam. Also called desmethyl, not flurazepam, diazepam. So in option C, they write desmethylflurazepam. This is not right. Right is desmethyl diazepam or nor-diazepam. So option is B right. Next, NSAID produce ulcerogenic action because they increase mucosal blood flow in stomach. Option C is right. And product of purine catabolism in man, uric acid. Man may uric acid easily we answer of this question because we know allantoin, inosine, xanthin and uric acid in man. So asafoetida is obtained from is Afghanistan, popular nowadays. So they give this question. liquid paraffin is of mineral origin. Next, MDT, multi-drug therapy used in Kushtrog, leprosy. Dihydropyridine ring, pyridine, and in name of nifedipine, same, and right answer is option C. Next, to prevent INH, isoniazid induced neurotoxicity. In isoniazid, neurotoxicity cause, and how overcome this? This is overcome by pyridoxine, vitamin B6. Next, endotoxin is produced by following bacteria. Endotoxin caused by gram-negative bacteria, and exotoxin caused by gram-positive bacteria. In this question, three option is gram-negative bacteria. So Salmonella typhi, Bordetella pertussis, Yersinia pestis, we know gram-negative. So option is eliminated. Clostridium tetani is right answer. Okay. Next, amikacin is derived from, amikacin is derived from kanamycin. Next, amplum denote tablespoonful. Option A is right. Bile is produced by liver and stored in gallbladder. Morphine does not cause, morphine is cause constipation, and in this answer they write diarrhea. Barrier cream used to protect skin from industrial chemical. Next, epinephrine is added to local anesthetic to prolong the action of drug. Next, the phenomenon of repeated administration of drug result. Repeated administration of drug, then we answer is 2, tachyphylaxis and tolerance. But in this question they denote cell receptor block. So right answer is tachyphylaxis. Next, ball is used against which metal poisoning? So mercury. An oral hypoglycemic agent which is DPP inhibitor. DPP inhibitor example is sitagliptin. Next, a low volume of distribution of drug indicated does not accumulate in various organ. Not accumulate in other organ, various organ, is lives in short areas. So right answer is option B. Next, mineral deficient in milk. So mineral deficient in milk is iron. Which of the following monoclonal antibody is fully human in organ? So example is adalimumab, infliximab. So right answer is option B, infliximab. Next, optic neuritis. Optic neuritis is a side effect of ethambutol. Option C. Which among the following contraindicated in patient with GFR less than? So right answer is option B, metformin. Next, precursor of thyroxine, epinephrine and norepinephrine is tyrosine. The hardness range of tablet is usually is 4 to 5 kg, and in answer is 3 to 7. So right answer is option C. So that's it equation all. We solve Isro Pharmacist exam. In comments you tell this exam is how much easy or hard nature of this exam. So you tell in comments. So these are all 8 equations we discuss.